gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel, well known as the Ultimate Gardener. In today's exciting spotting video, I'm showing you guys the planting of Vanessa, aka the hardy hibiscus that the J Berry Nursery sent out for me to trial out this year. The Vanessa is actually one of their newest additions to their Summerific Spice Hardy Hibiscus collection. No, the real name of the hibiscus is Bleu, Brûlée, not Vanessa. I name all my plants, so you know, she earned the name Vanessa. But she has been planted already in the garden. There's already plants in the garden that have been planted. So I have a little quick video to show you guys. So here's the video now. So Ultimate Gardeners, that's going to be it for this exciting sprouting video. Just a little quick video for you guys to see the planting of Vanessa. I really do love Vanessa, and so she deserves to be in that spot. I want her to be the showcase of everything. Once you enter, you see her beautiful leaves and her beautiful flowers. I want her to be the main focus. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out, just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out. Thank you all so much for watching, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.